Day 53 in the queue. Let's go.
Don't eat butter, no salt, no sugar, no lard.
Just guys, I just got a special package. I am so excited. I've been waiting for this all week, and it is my Amazon Kindle. Oh my gosh, it's literally so little and cute. Oh my gosh. I'm so excited. Y'all, look how cute she is. We gotta name her. I need to figure out how to work this. Okay, I need to plug it in, but just wanted to show y'all what I'm wearing. This oversized leather jacket and then a little tie-dye tank, which I actually make these tie-dye tanks. They're made to order. There's information down below if you're interested. Dylan's picking me up. We're headed out to the post office to drop off some more tie-dye orders and then to the store for Mother's Day this weekend.
I look like a character from a video game.
That Gucci swag though. I look like I'm about to go on my motorcycle. Another package. As usual, morning toast on my TV. Are we surprised? No. I just got all my stuff from the Sephora spring sale. I've been waiting on this for about 2 weeks. And it just came a few minutes ago. Let's see. Okay, so this first thing I have is this gentle buffing cream. I used to use this all the time, and then I ran out, so I thought I would repurchase. Next, I have the Kiehl's Creamy Eye Treatment, which I also used to use, so this is just a repurchase. I'm excited to have it. Both of those in my skincare routine. How pretty! Oh my gosh, how cute. It's the Tatcha water cream. I'm literally so excited for this. Oh my gosh, y'all. I have never used this product, so it's gonna be a first for me. Oh my gosh, I can't wait. Next I have the Coconut Oil Campari deodorant. It's non-GMO, vegan, aluminum free. Next I have the Sunday Riley CEO Vitamin C Turmeric Face Oil, Evening Primrose Oil to brighten, hydrate, and glow. This packaging is just phenomenal on some of this stuff. And now getting into the makeup portion, I have It Cosmetics CC Cream. I used to use this, like, it was a holy grail of mine for probably 2 or 3 years, and I haven't been using it this last year. Another repurchase for me is this Milk Makeup Flex Concealer in shade Light Medium. I ran out just before quarantine started, so I'm excited to have this back. Not that I've been wearing any makeup, but I love it. Another thing I ran out of was my Laura Mercier translucent powder, this is a staple. Last but not least, I have this Maison Margiela replica perfume. This is the scent Jazz Club. It's actually a male fragrance. I prefer more masculine scent on me. I'm gonna try this out. It is definitely masculine, but it smells so good. I am obsessed. Hopefully Dylan doesn't steal this from me. That is my Sephora unboxing and little haul. I'm about to start my first book on my Kindle, Before We Were Strangers. I'm so excited. I've heard so many good things about this book, so I'll keep y'all posted. Also, I put a pop socket on the back of my Kindle so I could hold it like so easily. I'm just living.
The next day.
Well, good morning, everybody.
Just got in a package from Outdoor Voices I just wanted to show y'all. The first thing I have from Outdoor Voices are these socks, truly the most comfortable socks I own. I have probably, might be like my 6th pair. The cutest color, had to cop. So comfortable. Next is this Hudson skirt in black. I currently have this skirt already in red, which you guys have actually seen me in. I love that skirt, so comfortable and easy to run around in. So I just thought I would get a black and get a little simple neutral. Then we have their zip bra. I actually own this already as well. So comfortable. Truly one of my favorite sports bras. Lastly is this freeform little biker short and sports bra. I am obsessed with these biker shorts. I've never tried the sports bra, but they just came out in new colors, so I thought I would check it out. I just wanted to come on here and explain if you're noticing anything different from where you are. Where I live here in Alabama, we are currently lifting the stay-at-home order. So we're in phase 1 right now. So certain retailers have opened back up. Next week, phase 2 begins. So nail salons, hair salons, I'm sure certain restaurants, other places are opening back up to a certain percent. So personally, I will still be participating in social distancing, staying at home as much as possible. I don't feel safe going out and being in public yet. But just in case you see certain things in the vlog, we're picking food up from here or we're grabbing something from there. That is why a lot of places have opened back up. But I hope everyone is staying safe and staying sane. What a time to be alive. Wow.
DJ, turn it up.
Yo, is that Trey?
Yeah. It is. It so is. Look at Saint. Look at Saint.
Caught!
You're gonna have to eat mine before we leave.
Caught!
This is our dinner.
Well, this is our dinner too. I literally pulled up and said, is that Trey?
Said we have to eat this because we have to be very good during the week.
That's so funny.
What are y'all gonna get?
I don't know.
We'll see.
Two days later.
My hair looks black. Hope everyone had a wonderful Mother's Day. I know so many of us celebrated virtually. I did myself. I could not be with my mama today, but she got her flowers still, her gifts. It is Monday now. I just have a few tie-dye orders I need to dye. Just a couple, so I'll show you all the behind the scenes of that. I want to say thank you to anyone that's ordered. So sweet. Information is down below. You can message me on Instagram or purchase through Depop, whichever. I also need to finish my coffee table, which if you didn't know, now you know. I built it myself. I got glass from Facebook Market, and then the base is actually 2 cinder blocks. but I'm going to be adding more cinder blocks. I just got inspired off other coffee tables online that were a little bit too high for my budget, so I just thought I would do it myself, Miss DIY Queen. So yeah, I'll show you all a little snippet of that.
Crazy joy, beautiful sadness, no sense at all. This feels like you. What is the point? Beautiful sadness, having a want that seems to never beautiful sadness. Beautiful sadness.
6 hours later.
It is time to rinse the excess dyes. Gonna get my gloves on. And we're gonna rinse them here in the sink before we throw the tanks into the washing machine. So let's go. Here is a sneak peek of some of the tie-dyes I did today. They turned out so cute. I'll be shipping them out tomorrow if you ordered. Thank you again. That's going to be the end of today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe for more videos, and I'll see you next time.